My dear toppers, how are you? This is day 7 of Ignite, chapter 7, ISC, class 11, entrepreneurship. This we will complete with the story of Aryan. Aryan, 23-year-old commerce student, one day while jogging, he went near a lake. He saw floating plastic on the lake. He saw less number of trees, means number of trees is depleting, and another thing, he saw a board which is written Bengaluru's groundwater depleting rapidly. Air felt hotter than usual. Aryan also dreamed to become a successful entrepreneur like Oyo, like Zomato, like Tilak Mehta. But when he observed these things are depleting the environment, affecting environment negatively, then he wondered, if businesses keep growing like this, will the environment will deplete? What will be the cost of this and what will left for future generation? Aryan is very much considering about these things, about the welfare for future generation. So that same evening he searched online and discovered a famous idea. He discovered a famous idea, development that meets the need of the present without compromising ability of future generation to meet their own needs. This research is given by these lines, these exact same words given by World Commission of Environment and Development in 1987. Write these lines as it is in your notebook. Aryan whispered to himself. He is talking to himself, very much worried. This is sustainable development. This is sustainable development, and this is exactly which businesses must follow. Yes, obvious, you earn profit, but by keeping sustainable development in your mind. What is sustainable development? If we see it in Aryan story style, then Aryan realized sustainable development means three superpower, also known as triple bottom line. Three superpower. Which three superpower? One is economic progress, next is environmental conservation, and third is society, social equity. Social equity means all are equal. Environmental conservation means to protect the environment, and one is economic progress. Yes, grow as a businessman, earn profit, but take care of environment and society as well. Aryan wanted profit. After all, business must grow, but he didn't want to grow like old factories, like wasted resources. Real example, like here I added few real example related to each topic so that you can relate these things with the real world, and you can relate. If you take care environment or society, obvious obvious you will grow and earn more profit in long run. In long run, why I am saying in long run? Because short run business never success. In long run you create goodwill by taking care of environment, society, and your workers and your surroundings. Tata Steel uses energy efficient technology that lowers cost and pollution, energy efficient resources. Then, environmental conservation. One day, Aryan saw a truck dumping garbage near a lake. In this way, those dumping garbage people are wasting the water of lake and surroundings of the lake. He said this is not business, this is destruction. So, real example from real world. ITC runs a water stewardship program that has created water positive ecosystem in Indian villages. What contribution you can give to the society as a businessman, you always do that. Social equity. His friend Meera said development must benefit everyone, rich, poor, man, women, rural, urban. Real example, what Amul did. Amul empower women, rural women. Amul give power, jobs, salaries to the rural women at fair prices. So RN realized these three superpowers go together and true development. Why is sustainable development important? This topic we'll do in next class.